This Berkshire Hathaway HomeServices Florida Realty property video is presented by Charlene Dinkla. Absolutely stunning henna floor plan in popular Longleaf, ready for new tenant. House is in mint condition. Home boasts 3 bedrooms, 2 full baths with oversized great room, large kitchen with upgraded cabinets, breakfast nook, dining room, flex room, and lanai. January 2023. The interior and exterior of the home was painted, carpet, blinds, hot water heater, and garage electric iron openers. Beautiful vinyl plank flooring, kitchen and bathroom faucets, and appliances 5 years new. Large master suite and luxury bathroom to include his/her vanities, walk-in shower, garden tub, and his/her closets. Fabulous open kitchen with lots of counter space and cabinets. Roomy breakfast nook off kitchen. Dining room could also be used as a study or formal living room. Enjoy the breeze from open lanai as you grill or watch the children play in fenced backyard. Community offers walk-in pool, kiddie splash pad, fitness gym, clubhouse, tennis courts, playground, basketball court.